I have a bigger mirror at my home. I did not have anything for my breakfast because I want these. Hi everyone, thank you so much joining me again to my vlog, and thank you so much for the new subscribers who just joined. So today's vlog would be somewhere for DIY my bedroom decor, jo bhi bolo. So my bedroom has mostly the white walls, and I really love, as like I guess most girls love decor, decorating their room and stuff. I don't want to spend hell lot of money on decoring, तो इसीलिए मैं आज अपनी जो बेडरूम की जो एक वॉल है बैक साइड जिसके बेड के ऊपर वाली, वहाँ पे आई सॉ इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम पिंटरेस्ट, एंड वो शेल्फ्स वगैरह उन्होंने रखे थे, यू नो, प्लांट्स एंड स्टफ. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा मन है वैसा करने का. मेरा मोस्टली फर्नीचर IKEA से ही है. मिरर, बेड, बेड बॉक्स, ड्रॉर, कारपेट, या इट्स मोस्टली फ्रॉम IKEA. आज वीकेंड है एंड सब लोग आ जाए, मतलब यू नो इट्स गोना बी क्राउडेड वीकेंड, एनी लॉन्ग वीकेंड है, तो आई फील लाइक कि पीपल गोना बी देयर, तो इसलिए मुझे सुबह सुबह करने का मन था. तो अभी IKEA बस आधे घंटे में 15 मिनट में खुलने वाला है, तो आई थॉट कि मैं चली जाती हूँ. एंड या आई सी, एंड या आई बी मीटिंग अखिल ओवर देयर बिकॉज मैं हेल्प कर रहा है थोड़ा सा शूट करने में. And that's it, we're gonna do this thing today, so stay tuned, come with me to IKEA. And so abhi ke liye that's it, see you soon. मेरी हालत खराब. Okay. Okay guys, I can see IKEA from here. I'm almost there. जैसे आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे बहुत विंड पड़ रही है और हवा की वजह से it's getting so freezing. You can see there, that's IKEA. Okay guys, we are here in IKEA and it seems it's Sunday, so it's a little bit busy, but we'll go around and check what is there or not. And sorry, it has to be there. See what I'm looking for. Blue lehenga choli, party wear wedding wear, just 52 bucks. That's why not. I like this place. Here, it's written in Hindi as well. समय किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं करता, इसीलिए समझदारी से चुनाव करें कि आप इसे कैसे खर्च करना चाहते हैं. Okay, this is so nice. Okay, cool. Let's go.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just
So what I was showing that I wanted to do. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly say. So these kind of plants I want to put in the room, and these are indoors plants. It's a very, you guys cannot imagine कि putting plants like small, it's gonna change a lot in the room. Like it's very less efforts, but it's gonna give a very good result. So this is in my mind. I'm gonna put some of these plants and stuff, and let's see how it results. They are not even expensive. It's like from $2 to $4. That's it. So it's a good deal.
Dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
They are really nice. It's good for like just $16.99. It's a good cushion actually. I like this color. I think I can get one. फिर दोबारा रखती हूँ. I love this place. Okay, so we have these ones, and I'm gonna get some of these for sure because it's good for the storage as well, and it's good to be nice. You can keep everything super organized. So this is for food and stuff. I can use it. I'm gonna go home and show everything. But for now, $7. That's okay, right? I'm getting 20 into 20. This color because I like this color, and these two again 20 into 20. I really love the price of this one because so I was thinking to buy something like this, like have two, but it itself is $20, and that one I got 3 of in small places, and that for $5. So in the same price I got 3 shelves with all the books, so it's good. Okay guys, I am done with the shopping and my cart looks so nice right now, and I'm so happy and excited. all the time. Okay, fine. So we're gonna go home. हमने Uber कर ली है. Once we reach home, then I'm going to show everything again. So for now,